So today we are at Chonburi, Sattahip, and we are going to an island called Got Samasan. So right now we are gonna get the tickets to go on the boat, and we're gonna be going to the island soon. So right now we are inside the room for us to get the ticket, and we are gonna be going to the boat. So right now we gotta hurry up. There it is, the boat. Alright, let's hurry up before we miss the boat. Well, around here there's a lot of trash, but there are also fishes. Ooh, you can see the green. The fish is actually greenish in the water. A very good view. Very natural. The water is like aqua clear, aquaish color. Like it's not, how do you call it? It's not like murky. Ooh, look at that fish. There are a lot of striped fish and some other fish with like the long mouth and the long body. Yeah. So right now it's getting deeper into the ocean, and there's actually a lot of rocks here. It does look like coral, but under it is mostly rock and sand. A lot of fishlets, like a lot of fries. Yeah, not the French fries, like the fish fries, the baby fish. So we are arriving at the boat, and we're gonna be going on board. There's a lot of bright colored fish, like those ones. I don't think you could see much out of it, but the color is, well, some comes with blue stripes and yellow top. Nothing much. Like this, there's the same type of fish. There seems to be a lot of it. Yes, there seems to be a lot of it. A lot of abundance of fish here. So now we are at the boat, and we are going to be going on board it. The boat is an okay size. There seems to be a frenzy of fish here. On the back of the boat, it's near the shade, so these fish are all the same type of fish in a large clump. And for some reason they're all facing the same way. Maybe because the water current coming. Ooh, water. Maybe because the water current is coming from that side, so they're facing the water current to swim against the current. Yes, a lot of currents there. So the island. So first, we are gonna be going to that island. It's a couple minutes away, and after we go on that island, we're gonna be going snorkeling, and there's like a coral reef there, and we're gonna be going there. Right, so we are heading to that island right here, and we are going to be docking there, and it's going to take a couple minutes, but we'll be there very soon. The view is well, the ocean's very clear, the water, and the view is very beautiful. And right now once we get on the island, we're just gonna like walk around, take a tour around the island, and then we're gonna go like snorkeling. So you can see the other boats, like the container boats, and there's a couple sunken ships over there. I mean, not ships, boats. And I guess they're fishermen boats which got too close to the shore, and then it got sunk by like rocks and things that they scrape. And there's the dock right there. Well, the island is pretty big, and this place has a lot of fish and a lot of coral. So the boat's about to do a U-turn. And it's gonna turn around and dock over there. And once it docks, it's gonna go back to the island. I mean, go back to land, and it's gonna get like some more people. Yes. So once we dock, we are gonna be going onto the car, and well, the coral reef's on the other side of the island, and we are gonna be going onto a car and drive there. Alright. So the coral reef is on the other side of the island. So we have arrived and we are gonna be going to get our equipment. I'm back from the snorkeling, and right now we are gonna be going to the turtle pool and the clownfish pool, which is right here. my god. There's a lot of seaweed. Now, this type of seaweed people can eat. Right there. Here, the seaweed. Hey! We found it. Peek your head out. Yes. So this is a turtle. So this is a turtle tank. I guess you could call it tank. I would say it's a pool. Turtle tank pool. There seems to be 3 of them. One right there. The other one behind it. Watch out the camera. Watch out for the camera. Salai. Hey! Hey! I'm just gonna stand back before it bites my hand off. It's gonna bite my finger off. Ow! Ow! Oh frick! Oh. These are peacock fish. Hey. So these are peacock fish, the big one, which could bite my fingers off. They could all bite my fingers off. Oh frick! They're here. Alright, next one, because I don't want my fingers to be bit off. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video and like and subscribe to my channel if you really like the video, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!